Welcome to Shopping.com. This video guide will help you know how to earn money, how to earn commission as an affiliate of Shopping.com by selling the subscriptions of Shopping.com. So if you want to know the subscriptions, you can just click here in the pricing menu of Shopping.com and you can see that there are three types of subscriptions: basic, standard, premium, displayed in dollars and rupees based on your country. And there's a free plan also where you can guide your clients to register for free. Even if you guide them for register for free, the moment they switch their plans to basic, standard or premium, you will start getting your affiliate commissions at that point of time because they are already referred to you. So let's get started about how to work as an affiliate to earn commission online, earn money online. Once you get your affiliate login credentials using Shopping.com, you can contact Shopping for getting your affiliate login ID and password. So you just go to the URL Shopping.com and type /affiliate. So once you type affiliate, this is only for affiliates to log in. You need to enter your username. I'm entering a test username for right now for the demo purpose. So once I enter the username and password, I'll be redirected to my affiliate dashboard where I can see the number of referrals I have made, active referrals, and pending commission that I'm about to receive from Shopping.com and my total earnings. So these are all demo for now. Here below you will see your referral URL and alternate referral URL. You can click on this copy icon and copy your URL and send this to your client so that you can refer them to register in Shopping.com under you. And once they register, you can see their names here under affiliate overview, wherein you can see their names, email address, and commission earned through that particular client. Also you can see the last 10 transactions based on which client has paid what amount. So if your client is in a standard plan of 5,200 rupees and you have referred him or her, from that particular transaction you are earning 15%, that is rupees 780 as an affiliate. And once your 780 rupees is settled in your bank account from Shopping, this pending status will be changed to success and you can see your UTR number, unique transaction number, and the date of settlement. This is the overall stuff about affiliate dashboard. You can also check on the left hand side that there's a referral menu. If I click on referral menu, you can see your referrals. Go back to dashboard. On the top right hand side, you can see a small profile icon where welcome your name would be shown, and this profile icon, if you click down, you can see your profile section. So here you need to enter your profile details so that commission amount will be disbursed to your bank account based on this profile details that you have entered. Rest all the fields are self-explanatory. You can keep your bank accounts where you'll receive your commission. You can give your UPI ID and you'll get commission through UPI ID as well. And then again you can go to dashboard. So now let's see the referral process. Suppose you have got a client, you have got a shopkeeper, you have got a small business owner, and you want to help them that they can start selling online. They can bring their business online through Shopping.com. So I'm clicking the first one for now. Once you click on it, you need to share it with the client you have referred. The client can then sign up using this URL, referral URL. Alternatively, you can also copy this and help them sign in. But if you are helping with the same machine, you can open this in incognito window. You can click on this button or you can just right click and copy this as well. For the sake of demo, I'll open incognito window right now and I'll open that URL for now. This is your affiliate code and this particular user when signed up will be signed up under you. So let's say I'm signing this user as a demo user. Let's say the name is Davis and the email is Davis. Now this is important, in which plan is or the referral client is signing up. They can sign up into any of the plans. As I said, you can go back to Shopping.com and you can see what are the plans. So these are the plans. This is the free plan. You need not do anything. You need not pay anything. These are the basic, standard, and premium plans. So based on those, client selects any of the three paid plan, then they will be redirected to the payment page after this. Else, if you select free plan, you will be redirected directly to the account of the client. So now let's enter the text. I'll be registering this affiliate in standard plan so that I get the benefit from the standard plan. When I click sign up, since I have registered in the standard plan, I have been redirected to the payment page, and here I'll need to enter enter the payment details which are needed by the payment gateway. I'll pay for 1 month. You have the option of paying for 1 month or paying for whole 1 year if you want. So I'll go for pay for 1 month for now. I'll go to proceed. So now you can see, since the client selected India, so the payment will be in INR. Alternately, it may be in some other currency based on the current country chosen. So I'll click on make payment. So I'll be redirected to the payment gateway. So I'll continue doing my payment here. So once the payment is successful, I'll be redirected back to the next steps of registration. And this is the common step that any client when registered in Shopping.com goes through. They can select their own domain name because you have chosen standard plan, and plan has the options of setting up your own domain name such as david.com. Else you can get a free domain of shopping.com or subdomain, you can say. So let's say I will select david.shopping.com, and that's free. So I'll go ahead. I'll choose one of the themes. So let me select cycle themes for this one. So I'll select the cycle theme. So done. Client is up and ready. His website is up. The client can go to david.shopping.com, and this is the client's admin account. Client can check their own home where they can see like what are the details. Let me just zoom out. So these are the plan details. Client is in standard plan, and this is valid till 1 month from now. Again, they can renew yearly also. They can renew monthly from here. They can upgrade their plan to premium, and they can subscribe using auto renewal method. These are the options. They can check their orders. These are the general stuff that's available to each and every client of Shopping.com. If you want to know in details, there's another video guide of Shopping.com that you can refer to. Definitely. Let's log out from here. Client can directly log in from here. So I registered my client using the username Davis, or the client registered using Davis. So yeah, I can just log in anytime like this. Okay, let's log out. Let's go back to my affiliate menu. So here, if I can check in my dashboard, I can see Davis. He is already registered, and also you can see that the transaction, last 10 transaction refers, I have earned a commission of 780 rupees, and you can see the total amount of rupees that I have earned from Davis, that is 780 rupees. And from next month, I'll also be getting another commission of 780, and then next month, thereafter, and thereafter it will continue, and I can check at a point of time in affiliate overview how much have I earned from Davis. Let's say as an affiliate I have received the amount, so I'll again refresh it. So now you can see this transaction has been settled, and on the top also you can see the pending commissions has decreased. Total earning, that is I have received 780 rupees. 780 rupees has been settled, and there's an I icon. If you click on the I icon, you can see the date of settlement of the amount. It is settled on August 23, and the UTR number is shown as well. You can click on the I icon again to remove it. So this is how you can earn using affiliates of Shopping.com. So as an affiliate of Shopping.com, you have great opportunity. I would obviously encourage you to become an affiliate of Shopping.com and start earning money online. It's an easy way to earn money online. Also, if you have that crux of helping others go online and helping others to launch their store and helping them to sell their products online, then this platform is for you. There's a growth trajectory that you have as an affiliate with Shopping.com, and obviously Shopping.com is here to provide you help in any way it can provide. There are guides and other stuff. There are people who would be ready to help you. There are new themes available. There's AI integration with Shopping.com. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, this video guide, and I hope that you earn online and become awesome as an affiliate of Shopping.com. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.